Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back again with another KodeKloud engineer tutorial. Today we are working in AWS. Our scenario for today is the Nautilus DevOps team is expanding their AWS infrastructure and requires a setup of a private virtual private cloud VPC along with a subnet. This VPC and subnet configuration will ensure that resources deployed within them remain isolated from external networks and can only communicate within the VPC. Additionally, the team needs to provision an EC2 instance under the newly created private VPC. This instance should be accessible from within the VPC only, allowing for secure communication and resource management within the AWS environment. The name of the VPC must be Nautilus Priv VPC. Create a subnet named Nautilus Priv subnet under the same. Further, create a EC2 instance named Nautilus Priv EC2 under the VPC. Ensure the security group rules for the EC2 instance allow access only from within the VPC's CIDR block. All right, so in the AWS console, let's not console but portal. Let's go to VPC. And all right, so let's click create VPC and VPC only. Copy the name here and paste. I'm going to choose the CIDR block 10.0.0.0/16, and everything else I'll keep default. Alright, so we'll copy our subnet name, go to subnets and create subnet. We'll choose the VPC we just created, paste our subnet name here, and our subnet CIDR block I will choose 10.0.0.0/24, and I will create that. That's perfect. Now we can go to EC2. And we'll go to instances and launch instances. Copy this name. And paste it here. Let's wait for everything else to get going. Alright, so I'm going to keep everything default basically on this. I'm not going to worry about a key pair because I don't need the SSH into this machine. I'm going to change the VPC to the one we created, and the subnet is the one that we also created. I also will enable auto assign public IP. Well, actually, I'll leave that disabled. I don't need that. I will remove. Well, I won't remove this, but I will add another security group rule, basically, and I will say all traffic from 10.0.0.0/16. So all traffic within our VPC is allowed to this instance, and I will call this allow VPC traffic. Okay, and I will launch the instance. Go to instance here, refresh the page, and everything looks good. See, there is no traffic. Actually, I am going to get rid of that because it shouldn't have any edit rules. There shouldn't be any traffic from the internet right here. So this SSH rule, I'm gonna delete this. Save that. All right. And update my rule. All traffic from within the VNet only. Yeah, okay. So that looks good. So let's go ahead and validate the task. All right, there you have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I have more videos coming soon for AWS. If you don't mind, give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.